Hey Logan, you don't drink the dye.
Put it in
You
there.
dye the eggs in there, bud. Yeah.
Just leave it in there for a minute. Leave it in there for a minute. We'll leave it in for a minute. This one's going to be light. So yeah, purple. Purple.
Look at all the eggs Logan's dyed already.
Do you want to show them this egg? What does this egg say? What is that egg? Look. What is that egg?
Blue.
Blue, but what is this? Elephant?
What's the elephant do?
What's the elephant do? He has a trunk? Oh. Yeah. Should we make elephant?
That's Logan's elephant egg.
Do you want to put some stickers on this one? Or how about maybe...
Hey buddy, gotta be easy on that egg.
Oh.
No, there we go.
That was a hard egg. It didn't break.
Sounded like it, huh?
Do you want to put some stickers on this egg? Look, see the stickers? Put them on the egg. What do you want to put on there? How about the monkey? Should we make a monkey egg? What is that? Oh, it's not quite dry. Shoot. Let's dry the egg so we can put the monkey on. Yeah, is that what the monkey says?
Yeah.
Let's try it. What is, you want to do that one? Is that a giraffe? See? It's a giraffe on the egg.
Oh, you didn't want a giraffe, huh?
Giraffe. Logan,
Hey,
should we put a monkey on the other side? Whoops.
maybe Mom
That's
should
so
handle
nice.
the eggs, huh?
There's the monkey. What's the monkey say?
Alright, Logan, bye.
You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.